So it's Monday, the 14th of August. It's my first day trading the combined 400k challenge. I'm in two trades at the moment, a short on GU and a long on Euro Pound. Annoyingly, my Wi-Fi was messing around this morning, so I executed off my phone. I'll put the screen recordings up here. I'm in quite small size, so my plan was to risk 0.25% per trade. First trade, GU, I had an alert set. I entered half of my position a little bit early, just a tiny bit early. It squeezed just a little bit, but it just tapped into where I was supposed to take the trade and started dropping from there. Another reason why I haven't put on big size, because I wanted to test out the trade copier. The trade copier I'm using is called Traders Connect, and as you can see here, all the accounts are linked in. It executed very smoothly. It can even show you the floating equity, which is a really cool feature. So this is the Euro Pound trade I'm in at the moment, and on the pound dollar, I'm looking for, actually I entered around about here, which was a touch too early, and I'm targeting 26.61, and I've got a 10 pip stop. So I'm only risking $100 on this trade, and it might sound like a joke, but only $75 on this trade. I do want to add into the GU trade, honestly, but I should have really executed here where my alert was. I started to see a drop, but I was hesitant to add to it. This is a correlated trade, basically. I timed it pretty well, but we'll see how it plays out. It's been about an hour. We're about to hit TP on the GU trade, hopefully. It's been a very, very clean trade so far. It's a shame that we didn't add more size. The Euro Pound trade is still floating around. So TP hit on GU. Just gonna hold the Euro Pound, and I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna get stopped out of this Euro Pound trade. I've moved my stop just under break even, and yeah, we're out of the trade. The trade wasn't really progressing anywhere. It never gathered momentum. I'm happy to leave it there. I'm not going to take any more trades today. I'm happy with the GU trade, even though we could have had a lot more size on it. Yeah, I just feel content with taking it slow and steady. Now that we're on this 400k challenge, incremental progress feels like more worth it, if you know what I mean. I don't have any inclination to really rush it. I'm gonna try to keep this up. It's only day one, and I'm just gonna keep pushing and stay focused. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Now that we've taken the first loss, kind of reminded me about it was just a small loss, but just kind of the emotions I feel after and what it kind of compels me. What are those impulsive thoughts that come to my mind now? One of my rules is actually to put space between my losses, so I can't execute. But I've been watching the price action, and as I'm watching the price action, you know, I've been wanting to re-enter and go short because I'm just seeing this as a blow off. I've set an alert at 27.14, and I said to myself, you know what, if it breaks down below here, I think we're good to go for the short again. I want to take a short like roughly here at the price it's at now. Alright, so 2 lots. Quick breakdown. That's what I'm looking for. We don't even need a 10 pip stop, honestly. Need to see some momentum into this hourly close. Break below 2700 and I'll be a happy bunny and just let the trade run. So yeah, re-entry sometimes are difficult, man. Especially on like a little consolidation pullback like this, you know. Of course we're scared that it's gonna ping, just pop up here. Hesitation is a killer sometimes. So I've got to go to my meeting, guys, but I'll be back in an hour. Hopefully we're gonna get the momentum we're looking for to step in right now. But yeah, I've got a meeting coming up right now, so I've got to go. Okay guys, we're about 10 minutes away from the news, we did find a little price action below our entry point. It pierced the 0-0 level, but it didn't hold below. US retail sales is not huge news, but it will, the spread will widen and it could gap against us. Okay, 1 minute to news, guys. Should I hold full volume? I'm gonna close a bit of it. Basically give it the space it might need. Alright, that's a bit better. If I get spiked out, that's fine. So, just need to see some good follow through. I'm gonna let this trade develop. Hopefully we've got entry and we're not gonna get tested again. I need to charge my phone, so I'll be back in a second. So, 2 losses back to back. Got blown off again. I think I should just walk away. I have another level I want to short at though. It's just this level here at 41. Fuck's sake. I'm not gonna get a chance to do that. Yeah, keep on getting squeezed out today, man. And you lose that flexibility as well because you're hyper focused on finding another winning trade. And you can usually spot an opportunity, but that fear and hesitation is still in your system after taking a couple losses. So we had this on alert here. This was a secondary level for me, and yeah, man, shouldn't be stressing about 2 little losses, you know that. It's just annoying, man. Gonna have to watch it now. It's the exact same thing happened to me here, man. You take a loss, you're not capable of executing when you really need to. Yeah, come on. Keep making me more mad. Alright, one last trade, man. Alright, I'm in the trade. I know people are laughing right now, but this is it. But that's it, man. 3 trades. 3 losses, definitely can't trade anymore. But yeah, this last trade, I won't lie to you, it's a little bit out of frustration. Oh, man. That's what I'm saying, man. Still struggling with being impulsive and getting a bit stressed when I take losses, and this is a result of it. Yeah, I've got to shake my head at myself, honestly. There we go. Alright. I'm obviously not in the right state of mind to trade. Did I shut down my laptop and stop trading? Yeah, in that very moment, but I picked up my phone 30 minutes later and fired off an impulsive trade. This time I put 5 lots on, so I've increased size. It was never in the plan to do so. I intended to risk 0.5%, but of course price started squeezing and squeezing. I moved my stop 10 pips. Price kept squeezing. I moved it another 10 pips. I think I was down 1.2% at one point. So instead of a 10 pip stop, I had like a 30 pip stop or something. And I added to my loser right at the top of the move. Lucky for me. And I got rewarded for bad behaviour. Price started dropping slowly, then more rapidly, and price dropped about 50 pips, 45 pips from the high, and I ended up banking 3.5% on average. So I'm up 3% on the challenge, even though I messed up today. I completely lost my head. I was only down 0.35%, which is nothing. But I decided to, well, I don't know if I can say I decided to. Sometimes I'm picking up my phone, I'm staring at the charts, and it's just like autopilot. I unconsciously just say, fuck it, fire off the trade. And this has happened many times. I want to say I can change, but obviously not.